In line with global best practices, the College of Education Zuba is embracing technology to ease learning and teaching in the school. Provost of the college, Dr. Suleimundi, gave this assurance at the Medin International Conference organized by the Directorate of General Studies in Education, College of Education Zuba, Abuja. Ramat Abdullahi reports.
The conference, themed Exploring Emerging Technology in the Teaching and Learning of General Courses in Tertiary Institutions Across the Globe, seeks to break down the walls of the day classrooms and modernize education to enhance student participation and academic performance through tools like AI, mobile apps, and virtual classrooms.
This general studies is a study that has to do with general class, where we have a large number of students taking this course. Through this digital technology, we can now know how to manage the class, know how to, anywhere that our students are, we can reach them in the process of teaching.
All the students in the college are our students, because no student graduates without passing all the GSE courses. So you can see that we are also a pillar as far as College of Education system is concerned in Nigeria.
Provost of the college, Dr. Suleimundi, said the school is committed to adapting to digital age while cautioning against potential misuse of technology by students.
We have been acquiring ICT tools, and because that is basic and very fundamental. Like tomorrow we'll be training 50 persons on e-dome facility. This is also an e-learning platform where students can be taught in the classroom from wherever they are.
Keynote speaker, Professor Ibrahim Yakubu Umar from the Federal University of Technology, Mina, calls for adequate funding to support technology in education.
So by embracing innovation thoughtfully, fostering inclusivity, and grounding practices in evidence and ethics, tertiary institutions can transform general education into a powerful catalyst for lifelong learning and societal progress.
Awards were given to individuals for their contributions to education.
For the fact that this award is given to me, I think it's a challenge that everything I've been doing, that means I should do more of it.
The event, according to the organizers, aims to inspire innovative teaching methods and a paradigm shift in Nigerian tertiary education. Ramatu Abdullahi, NTA News.